Learn Hindi from English. Funny everyday phrases with
chai, coffee.
and real conversations. Welcome to the Hindi Chaos Cafe. Hey, you're about to learn useful Hindi without sounding like a robot or a broken toaster. Let's jump into a tiny comedy where every sentence secretly teaches you something. Our story begins with 5 dramatic humans and 1 very judgmental kettle. The group is hungry, late, tired, polite, and slightly sneezy. In other words, perfect language learning material. First, the snack captain stands up and announces,
हम जाते हैं और कुछ खाते हैं.
That means, we go and eat something. A beautiful sentence. A practical sentence. A sentence powered entirely by stomach logic. The snack mission. Picture this scene clearly, because your memory loves drama and snacks. You'll remember the Hindi faster when it feels like a mini-movie. Everyone is sitting around doing absolutely nothing useful when one friend clutches their stomach and says,
हम जाते हैं और कुछ खाते हैं.
Translation. We go and eat something. Notice the flow.
हम
Means, we.
जाते हैं,
Means, go, and.
कुछ खाते हैं.
Gives you, eat something. To make it stick, imagine giant feet walking toward a mountain of samosas while chanting.
हम जाते हैं और कुछ खाते हैं.
Ridiculous? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. The friend who is always coming later. Every group has one. Maybe you are that one. No judgment. Let's learn the sentence of the legendary late arriver. The hungry group calls Ravi. Ravi says, with the confidence of a man still wearing one sock.
मैं आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन बाद में.
That means, I am coming, but later. Very useful. Also very suspicious. Break it up like this.
मैं
Is, I.
आ रहा हूँ,
Is, am coming.
लेकिन
Is, but, and.
बाद में.
Means, later. If you want a memory trick, imagine a snail checking a wristwatch and proudly declaring,
मैं आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन बाद में.
tea, coffee, and maximum politeness. Now the group reaches a home, office, or maybe the world's most welcoming planet. Time for one of the most useful polite questions in Hindi. The host smiles and asks,
क्या आप चाय या कॉफी चाहेंगे?
That means, would you like tea or coffee? This is gold for real life. If you visit someone, hear this, or want to sound polite yourself, this phrase helps a lot. Key pieces.
क्या आप
Gives a polite, would you, feeling.
चाय
Is, tea.
या
Is, or.
कॉफी
Is, coffee, and.
चाहेंगे?
Is, would like. Imagine holding 2 cups like a game show host and asking in your grandest voice.
क्या आप चाय या कॉफी चाहेंगे?
Bonus points if you accidentally offer both to your houseplant. Why is everyone so tired? Because this is adulthood, that's why. Here comes a sentence you will absolutely hear in real life. At the table, one friend stares into space like a phone at 1% battery and says,
मैं थका हुआ हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत काम करता हूँ.
Translation. I am tired because I work a lot. Useful words here are
थका हुआ,
for, tired,
क्योंकि
for, because, and
बहुत काम करता हूँ.
for, I work a lot. To remember it, picture an office chair rubbing its back and complaining.
मैं थका हुआ हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत काम करता हूँ.
The tragedy of free time and a runny nose. Now comes the most unfair sentence in the chapter. You finally have time, and your body says, absolutely not. Another friend looks at the empty calendar, then at the thermometer, and sighs.
मेरे पास समय है, लेकिन मैं बीमार हूँ.
That means, I have time, but I am sick. Important pieces.
मेरे पास
Means, I have, in the sense of, in my possession.
समय,
Is, time.
लेकिन
Is, but, and.
बीमार.
Means, sick. Imagine a giant clock handing tissues to a sneezing person. Odd image, strong memory. Mini dialogue drill. Let's put the phrases together so you can hear them in action. Read along, repeat, and enjoy the mild chaos. Friend 1. We're hungry.
हम जाते हैं और कुछ खाते हैं.
Friend 2 on the phone. Wait for me.
मैं आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन बाद में.
Host at home. Welcome.
क्या आप चाय या कॉफी चाहेंगे?
Very sleepy employee.
मैं थका हुआ हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत काम करता हूँ.
Sick but free friend.
मेरे पास समय है, लेकिन मैं बीमार हूँ.
Narrator. This group needs snacks, tea, rest, and probably a better planner. Quick recall challenge. Your turn now. I'll give the English, and you try the Hindi before the answer appears in your brain wearing a tiny cape. We go and eat something. Answer.
हम जाते हैं और कुछ खाते हैं.
I am coming, but later. Answer.
मैं आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन बाद में.
Would you like tea or coffee? Answer.
क्या आप चाय या कॉफी चाहेंगे?
I am tired because I work a lot. Answer.
मैं थका हुआ हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत काम करता हूँ.
I have time, but I am sick. Answer.
मेरे पास समय है, लेकिन मैं बीमार हूँ.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned 5 useful Hindi phrases through snacks, lateness, beverages, exhaustion, and illness. Honestly, that covers a surprising amount of real life. Let's hear them one last time.
हम जाते हैं और कुछ खाते हैं. मैं आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन बाद में. क्या आप चाय या कॉफी चाहेंगे? मैं थका हुआ हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत काम करता हूँ. मेरे पास समय है, लेकिन मैं बीमार हूँ.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the phrases out loud, and come back tomorrow even if, like Ravi, you are.
आ रही हैं, लेकिन बाद में.